Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is AshleyxDionne and I'm a makeup artist and makeup influencer, and today I just came to give you guys a nice little pretty look. I got this look from an Instagrammer or a Twitter makeup artist. I will leave his handles down below. This isn't a promo video or anything for him. I just really liked the look and I decided to recreate it. So you guys know, when I recreate people's looks, I normally like to put their link down below. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then keep watching. But before you keep watching, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you click that subscribe button because we are getting bigger and bigger. The family is growing and I really want to improve this YouTube channel, so I need you guys' support in doing that. And press the thumbs up if you like this makeup look. Right, now to the tutorial. We're just gonna start right into this look. I don't know what look I'm doing, but I seen a couple of inspirational pictures on Instagram and Twitter. So first off, I'm gonna start with my brows and concealer. So today I'm gonna use this concealer, and this is the Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. To actually fill in my brows, I'm gonna use NYX brow gel in the color Espresso. Alright, I'm rolling my sleeves. Let's go. So, per usual, I'm going to start out using my concealer to line under my eye, because that's just the easy way. It helps me create my shape, yada yada yada. So we just gonna go ahead and go. But first, I'm going to take this brush by e.l.f. and I'm just going to brush these little hairs upward so they can get out my Zam away. So moving on, I'm going to use this P. Louise base, and this base is just going to give me like an even little like base for my eyeshadow. So I'm going to try to recreate this eye look right here. I will tag the Instagrammer or Twitter guy who did this look down below because I am stealing it today. And we want to give credit where credit is due, of course. But I am going to spin it up a little bit. Like, I'm not going to do the exact look. I don't know. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this blue shade out of the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to use that for my transition in the front areas of my eye. And now I'm going to dip my brush in this purple right here. So I know this is probably looking like an unblended crazy mess, but I promise I'm going to blend it eventually, you know. Now I'm taking this other shade in the James Charles palette, which is the pink one. And I'm just going to put that in the ends of my eye. And I'm going to wing it out a little bit. So then I'm going to go back into that blue and kind of blend the blue into the purple. So now taking a clean brush, I'm just going to blend out those edges. And I'm still winging out this pink. And then taking that same brush that I used for the purple, I'm just going to put it right back in to blend out the purple a little bit and have her show up a little bit more. Now you don't need to dip it back into the palette unless you want the purple to be a little more vibrant. In this instance, I'm mainly just blending the purple out. So now I'm going to take this same P. Louise base and I'm just going to cut my crease really quick. Dip back into that pink and I'm going to put it into this outer edge, and then I'm going to go back in with the purple, and now I'm just going to take this shade right here called Seaside. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rivera palette. And to put that shade on, I'm going to use this NYX glitter glue. It might be too bright for y'all to see. Then I'm going to dip back into that purple and just blend those edges out. To add a little extra fun to the look, I'm just going to use this NYX Glitter Brilliant Glitter in the color. And I'm not going to put it on too heavy because I still want this color Seaside to kind of shine through, because then we're going to go in with a little bit of blue on the inner tear ducts. So I'm going to wet this brush and then I'm just going to dab it on lightly. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to the face. Then I'm going to use my favorite foundation. This is the Born This Way foundation in the shade Chestnut. I used to use the shade Chai and I realized Chai was a bit too deep for me and it made me look a little orange. This still makes me look orange, but it's like, it's bearable, sis. So we're just going to keep moving on. As always, I'm prepping my face with my Energy DV moisturizer. This is by Lancome. And I'm obviously going to have to take my scarf off since we're doing the face. So you know me, you know this is a huge step because I literally never do my edges on my wig. Ooh. Hey Ash, not too bad, not too shabby. So now I'm going to use this same concealer that I used to clean up my brows for my highlight. Always, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution foundation in F16 for my contour. Using this Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm just going to set the areas that I highlighted. So now I'm going to actually take my finger and I'm going to contour my nose. So to set my contour areas, I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses contour setting powder, and I'm going to use a mixture of this shade right here and this one. To set my makeup today, I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NW44. Okay, we coming together. Now that I have my face set, I'm going to use an eyeshadow Box of Crayons makeup palette. I'm going to use the shade Brown right here. As you can see, I have really dug in it. This has been my go-to bronzer. Honestly, the Box of Crayons palette, you can really do so much with this. You can use it as blush, you can use it as eyeshadow, however you prefer, but you know. So I'm just going to add a little bit lightly to my face just to warm it up. How do y'all do this? For my highlighter today, I'm going to use this highlighter by Lancome. And I like it mainly because it's so subtle, y'all. Like, even if I pack it on, it still gives like that natural glow, rather than I see that you put that highlight on type of glow, you know? Also gonna put some on my forehead because this look. So now I'm gonna take this blush right here by Maybelline, and if you follow me for a long time, you know that I always use this blush. It's just a really nice tone for my skin. So I'm gonna put a little bit on since this look is really dramatic. I don't wanna do too much. So I'm actually gonna take this pink shade right here out of this MAC palette, and I'm going to put that in the outer edge of my eye. Now, I still don't like this MAC palette. I just kept it for the mirror, honestly. I use this purple towards the middle portion of my eye. I'm going to take this dark blue pigment and I'm going to start to put it in the inner corners. Take this really bright blue and I'm going to put that in my inner tear duct and blend it on my lower lash line. So now I have on my lashes, and these lashes are just from AliExpress. They are some random mink lashes. Sorry, I had to break the packaging to get it open. But these are just some random mink lashes that I got from AliExpress. These are the 25 mm's, and aren't they nice? They're nice and full and big and fluffy. I'm just gonna use this dark brown e.l.f. Brow brush to line my lips. And then for this lip color, this is the lip color I'm gonna put on. I don't really know where I got this from. I just know it was from the beauty supply store, but I can't tell y'all what it is because I don't know. Yep, I like this cool tone kind of lippy thing we got going on. As always, I'm going to use my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I'm just going to use this to get rid of this powdery look that I may have created on my face. I'm just going to use this NYX Dewy Setting Spray. And here we have the final look. Okay everybody, you have reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed me giving you this look. I will try to remember to put the guy's name down below who I got this actual look from. And if you guys would like to see more videos, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. And make sure you leave a comment on what do you think about this look. Do you think it's fun enough? Do you think it's... Just give me your opinion. I want to know. I want to know. If you guys would like to know where I got this hair from, then you can also comment down below because I may actually do a review video on it. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!